Today we're going to talk about the Wienerberger house, where EnOcean sensors are being used together with our partners from Living Map and from IBM to make a smart building solution. For those of you who are not aware of EnOcean, we are an energy harvesting company that makes wireless sensing products. These products are ideal in use for homes such as the one we're looking at today, where it's very easy to put sensors wherever you need to put them without the worry of wires. So you basically get a fit and forget solution that is completely batteryless and ideal for a smart home solution for the one that we're talking about today. For an effective smart building, they all require some form of sensing. Up to now, a lot of those sensors have been wired in, which causes a lot of mess, a lot of disturbance to the building structure and also cost. Wireless products have come out quite extensively now, but they also have batteries, which causes you problems. The EnOcean solution is much better than that, in that it offers you a self-powered solution through a fit and forget wireless product. The type of things that we use are such as the ones we use in the switching throughout this house. You just push it, this generates some form of power, and this then sends a radio signal to the gateway and to turn the lights on and off. In addition to kinetic harvesters, we also use photovoltaic cells. An example of this is the CO2 sensor that I can show you here. This thing is powered by light, and it's actually controlled by the indoor light. So you basically are using indoor light to power it. You haven't got to worry about it when it gets dark. It's also got charge cells within it, so you have 3 to 7 days of power, even if you shut all the curtains and go away. So it's possible to actually power your house with a number of different energy harvesting products. Another type of product that uses photovoltaic cells is the PIR sensor that we show up in the corner of this building. This is used for basically measuring your body heat, and it will therefore tell you whether you're in the house or whether you're in the room, and you can actually connect that then to your heating system to say whether you're present or absent, and then use that to turn the heating on or off. Together with that, we've also got things like a window contact, which is shown over here. That again is powered by light, ideally, because it's by a window. And this also could be used to turn your heating off. Should you open it, it will turn the heating off. You close it, the heating will come back on. So these are ideal sensing apparatuses for devices for the day. Other voltaic sensors include this one from one of our alliance partners that does temperature humidity sensing. We don't just need sensing in the living space or the bedroom space. We also need to do things like flood detection, as shown here with the kinetic sensor from one of our alliance partners. So from today's video, you can see that smart homes are very, very possible. However, they can't be done without some form of sensing. And the EnOcean sensors offer a very, very simple approach for people to actually install these due to the fact they have no batteries and there is no wires required. EnOcean is a very well-proven product range. It's used now in about 400,000 buildings worldwide, and very, very extensively available throughout Europe, US, China and Japan. There's also a very, very large alliance membership which allows users to actually buy a considerable number of other products, giving you a good breadth of style and requirements, making it ideal for the smart building of today.